Hey guys, in today's video we're going to focus on how to find the surface area of a cube. So it's actually quite straightforward. In one of my next videos I will probably do a lesson on finding the surface area of a cuboid, which is a little bit more tricky, but it's still quite relatively straightforward. So our first example is going to be find the surface area of a cube that has a length of 5 centimeters. So remember the formula for the method to find the area of the cuboid is going to be 5 times 5, or 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2. 5 times 5 equals 25. And then we need to multiply that by 6 because a cuboid has 6 sides. So let's do that one. So 25 times 6. Remember, you can do 25 times 6 times 25 because multiplication is commutative, so it doesn't matter which way you do it, you'll get the same answer. So 25 times 6. I know that 20 times 6 is 120. And then 5 times 6 is 30. So 120 plus 30 equals 150 centimeters squared. Or 150 centimeters squared, yeah. Remember, in the exams, you always need to include the unit for your answer. Otherwise, the examiner might get confused. You might think, they might say, oh, 150 what? 150 bananas? 150 apples? You know, they don't know. So you need to include the units in your answer. So, for example, with this answer, the answer is 150 centimeters squared. Let's have a look at a really easy one. So we have a surface area. We have a length here that is 3 centimeters long. So 3 squared, 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 6 equals 54 centimeters squared, or 54 square centimeters. Okay, we have another easy one. So we have a cube that has a length of 4 centimeters. So we need to do 4 times 4, or 4 squared, which equals 16. And then we need to multiply that by 6. So 16 times 6. I know that 10 times 6 is 60. And then 6 times 6 is 36. So the answer is going to be 96 centimeters squared. All relatively straightforward. Now this is a really super easy one. We have a cube that has a length of 1 centimeter squared. So 1 squared is going to be 1. And then 1 times 6 is 6. Super easy. So we now have a cube that has a length of 81 centimeters. No, sorry, that's the area. So we have a cube that has a length of 9 centimeters. So 9 squared equals 81. And then we're going to do 81 times 6. 81 times 6. So I know that 8 times 6 is 480. And 1 times 6 is 6. So the answer is going to be 486 centimeters squared. And that is how you find the surface area of a cube.